Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe and good. So today I will explain you mitotic cell division. What in my last video I have already explained you what is cell cycle, what is cell division, why it is important, why it is needed. Okay, so today I will explain you cell division, mitotic or meiotic cell division. Now have a look. So in my last video also I have explained you this cell cycle. This is a picture of cell cycle. It consists of two stages or two phases. First one is interphase and second one is mitotic phase. So today I will explain you in detail what is this pink phase, mitotic phase. Okay, so here you can see prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, so now what is mitotic cell division? So mitotic division, I have explained you earlier that from the one cell, one parent cell, we will get the two daughter cells. Okay, and I have explained you it occurs in somatic cells, and it consists of one nuclear division only, one cytokinesis only. Division of the cytoplasm will take place only at one. It produces two daughter cells, and dividing cells can be haploid or diploid. Haploid means, this also I have explained you in my earlier video, that haploid means one set of chromosome, diploid means two set of chromosome. So children, what happened? Mitosis, this mitosis phase is completed in two steps. First one is karyokinesis. Karyokinesis means, karyo means nucleus. Okay, so karyo means nucleus, kinesis means division. So karyokinesis means division of the nucleus, which is carried out through these four stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Alright, so first nucleus will divide, and then cytoplasm, in cytokinosis cytoplasm will divide. How? Have a look. So I have already explained you the structure of chromosome also. So chromosome exists. Earlier it is present in the prophase stage. I have explained you earlier, children, that it is exists as a thread-like structure, complex, highly complex thread-like structure. But during metaphases and all, and late prophase, what happen? It comes in this form, in this X form or star-like form, which is having the sister chromatids, which is in the pair, and which is attached to the centromere. You can see this structure. So always remember, this is a structure, sister chromatid and attached with centromere. So this is a main structure. You know, in biology, diagram is very important. Each diagram is important, and your ICSE pattern is totally diagram based. So biology, it is very important to remember the diagram. In every video I am saying, please have a look to diagrams and all. So in this chapter, in this part also, there are lots of diagrams. So let me explain you first diagram. In my last video of cell, I have explained you what is animal cell, what is plant cell. So here also you can see. Okay, so as you know, plant cell is double membrane, because plant cell is having cell wall, which is made up of cellulose, you can see. Okay, whereas animal cell is having cell membrane only, plasma membrane. So the diagram you can see here, that animal cell is having circular structure, and plant cell is having rectangular structure with double membrane. So by looking the picture only, you can easily identify which one is plant cell picture or diagram, which is animal cell. So I am just telling you this because, you know, diagram based question will come in your part 2, section 2 in your biology paper. So please, by looking only diagram, you can identify it is animal cell of mitosis or it is a plant cell, which cell. Okay, so as you know, few cell organelles are present in animal cell and few are in animal cell. So as exception, I said that cell wall is present only in the plant cell, it is absent totally in the animal cell. Whereas centrosome, you can see this centrosome, it is present only in the animal cell, which contains centrioles. Okay, and it is absent in plant cell. Now, so this is the first stage I am showing you here. This is the first stage, which is a interphase, resting phase. In my cell cycle video I have already explained you that first stage is interphase, which is divided into G1, S and G2, and afterwards only this M phase will come, which is further divided into 4: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Okay, so what happened in this interphase, as I explained you earlier children, that no visible change in chromosome. As you can see in both the plant cell or animal cell, in both the cell you can see nucleus is we can see the nucleus in the that highly coiled complex structure. Okay, and we can see the centriole in animal cell, whereas no other cell organelle or centriole is absent here. Only we can see the cell wall, outer membrane. Okay, so what happened interphase, chromosome will remain the same, highly coiled, only RNA and proteins are synthesized. I have explained you that earlier. Okay, so here you can say, now after that G2, which AM phase will come, in that prophase A and B. So here they are showing two prophase. Prophase is divided into two parts. Okay, early prophase and late prophase. Okay, early prophase, in this prophase you can see centrioles start moving from this centriole. What is centriole now? So centriole develops, as you can say, it is a cell organelle which is present in the centromere, two dot like structure you can see. So these are the centriole. What they do, they exist in a pair in animal cells. Okay, so centriole develop very fine eyelash structures. So you can see here eyelash structure, they are called astral ray. Okay, so you can see aster here. So these eyelash or dash like structure are called astral rays, and centriole, oh god, okay, so centriole along with astral rays, they will form the aster. So these centriole form the aster. Okay, so duplicated centriole moving apart, they will move to the opposite pole. You can see here they will move to the opposite pole, and what will happen then, when they will move to opposite pole, they will form the aster. Okay, so here I am showing you, first one is prophase A. Prophase is divided into two parts, early prophase and late prophase. So what will happen in this prophase diagram, as you can see that centrioles start moving apart and reach to the opposite pole. Okay, so here you can see the diagram of late prophase. Both the aster are in the opposite pole, which arise from the centrioles. Okay, so chromosome become distinct. Distinct means different. Now it is not thread like structure, it is X like, that I have explained you, sister chromatid and centromere. Okay, now chromosome are already duplicate or pair chromatids. Sister chromatids are attached to the centromere, and spindle fiber appear between daughter centrioles. You can see this dash like structure, this web like structure you can see here. Okay, in the center part they are called spindle fibers. It is written also here. So spindle fiber arise from this aster. Okay, so aster form spindle fiber around the sister chromatid. Now the last point it is written that, and it is very important to remember, that nuclear membrane and nucleus disappear. So you can see in the early prophase, earlier you can see the dark circles, small circle inside, in the animal cell also and in the plant cell also. But in the next late prophase you can see dot like, and it is written also dot like, showing that nuclear membrane is starting disappearing. Okay, it's starting disappearing. Understood here? So few important points are centrioles move apart and forming aster, which forms the spindle fibers, and nuclear membrane start disappearing. So these are the few important points of the prophase stage of mitotic cell division that you should remember. Okay, if you will remember these points, then you will easily understand whatever I am explaining you here. So few points, important points, I am just again telling you. Okay, ester formation from the centrioles. When centrioles is moving from different poles, it goes, as you can see, and then they are from the ester they are forming the spindle fibers and nuclear membrane disappearing. Okay, now in the next stage is metaphase. Metaphase is alone. Okay, it do not have the early or late, it is alone. So what happen, you can see, meta means, what is the meaning of meta? Meta means middle. Okay, remember like this, like prophase means first, so prophase is the first stage, meta means middle, or you can see M for meta, M for middle, or meta means after also. Okay, so what happened in this metaphase, the chromosome began to show peculiar movement. Okay, they will show them some movement, peculiar movement, and they arrange themselves at between the poles. So you can see they will come in this metaphase. In both the cell, plant cell, animal cell, these chromosomes are condensed or present in a, or they form a line kind of thing. So they come at in the middle. Okay, they line up in the middle, or which is called equator in this case. So each chromosome get attached by spindle by its centromere, as we all know. So chromosome line up in one plane at the equator, in the middle portion. You can see in both the cells they have arranged, they line up. Okay, they arrange themselves between the poles on the equator of the spindle. Okay, understood this thing. So this is meta means, remember, M for meta, M for middle. Okay, so all the chromosome of late prophase comes in the middle. So remember the diagram. Sometimes they are asking the just simply draw the diagram of metaphase. So you have to draw this diagram. Okay, they will not show you the diagram, they will just draw the diagram of metaphase. Okay, now next stage is anaphase. Anaphase is also divided into two parts, early and late, as you can see, D part and E part. So what happened in this, they centromere start splitting. So you can see here, each centromere in during anaphase, what will happen, each centromere split into two daughter chromosome. Okay, earlier they were in pair and now they are splitting and again moving to the opposite pole. And as you can see, in the early, sister chromatids separate and move towards the opposite pole. Okay, so why, and it is written in the bracket, it is very important point, why they are moving, because due to the contraction of spindle fiber. So spindle fiber is binding them, it acts as like a web. Okay, so it is just taking back half of the sister chromatids into the different poles. In the plant cell also, animal cell, same diagram. Okay, only the membrane is different and the circular size and rectangular size is different. Just take care of this. Now second point, they are saying that two sister chromatids of each chromosome separate and are going towards the opposite poles, pulled by the spindle fiber, contraction of spindle fiber. I have already explained you. Now in the late prophase, what will happen, late prophase, you can see they will make a, in the animal cell they will make a cleavage like structure, that this is called furo. Okay, they will form a furo. So the furo starts in the cell membrane at the middle in the animal cell. So what will happen, I told you that earlier stages, pro, meta, ana, they will divide their chromosome. So now they are dividing the chromosome in pro they have divided, meta they have divided, early they have divided. Okay, but now they will start dividing the cytoplasm also. So in the late they will form a furo. Okay, in the animal cell. In the plant cell, what will happen in the plant cell now? So plant cell, they will form a cell plate. You can see here, a cell plate is laid in the cytoplasm from the center. They will make a cell plate in the plant cell, and animal cell they will form a furo or a cleavage kind of thing. So from that, this one cell, unicellular cell, divide into two daughter cells, animal cells, and two daughter plant cells. Okay, so what happen in plant cells, vesicle from Golgi bodies, you know Golgi apparatus and bodies, they appear at the equator of the spindle and they form cell plate. So this cell plate is made by Golgi apparatus. Okay. Now what happened in telophase? They are saying the telophase, which is the final stage. Telo means end also. Okay, so two set of daughter chromosome reach to the opposite. Again they are reaching, and what happened? Spindle fiber disappeared. Already it is disappeared. You can see in both. No, we can see ester, but no spindle fiber. Nuclear membrane. You can see circular membrane around the both the chromosome part. We can see, so nuclear membrane which is disappeared in the early prophase. Okay, late prophase. Again it will reappearing here. Now the cleavage furrow start deepening. It will come and it will form deep, and it will divide the one cell into two daughter cells. Okay, nucleoli again reappearing. So it has become the earlier prophase again. Further it will increase in size, it will increase the volume of the cell, and further from this daughter cell it can further divide into two daughter cell. So like this. Okay, next you can see nucleus divide. Now cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. So cleavage furrow deepens. When it deepens, it divides the cytoplasm into equally distribute the cytoplasm into two daughter cells. You can see here. Now this in the plant cell, you should remember the cell plate grows from the center and it will divide the cell into two daughter cells. Okay, so children, all these diagrams of prophase, in meta, ana, telo, all are very important. Please remember this. First karyokinesis will take place, which is the division of nucleus, and then cytokinesis. Okay, so here I am showing you a difference between mitosis and mitosis in animal cell and plant cell, which I have already discussed here. In animal cell asters are formed, but in plants they will not form. Cytokinesis occurred or take place by furrowing, by cleavage, and here plant cell by formation of cell plate. So the furrow start from the cell membrane and then proceed to the center. The same thing, the cell plate is laid down and then it goes to the, from the center only it will go towards that down. Now occurs in most tissue. So animal cell, it occurs in most tissue for our growth and replacement, this mitosis, and it occurs only in the meristematic tissue. As you know, plant cells, they grow from the tip only, root tips only. The meristematic part only they can easily divide, or sidewise if the plant is higher, if they want to increase the diameter of the plant, growth of the plant, then only. So you should remember these 3 points. Okay children, so please remember this: interphase, no visible, then pro, meta, ana, telo. Do one thing, read the chapter. If you are unable unable to understand anything, just mark it and just then let me know when a school will reopen. So please read the chapter, try to figure out, read the one line and just look into the diagram as well. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for being awesome. Please read the chapter.